Alrighty, so here's our site right now. So we dug these, demoed it out. I think it was yesterday. So now we come back to install the fountains. So we have a spillway bowl, the big one's gonna be installed right here. And then we're gonna come up with something. We're gonna have a 3 bowl all the way on top, so gonna be different slope coming down. And we have our site, bring in all the material on site right now. So here's the fabric, our tools, aqua block, and we got our spillway bowl. So, and that's some of the rocks that we put out, and we're gonna reuse them. They looks pretty nice, so there's no point to throw them away. Fabric liner install, and we are start pulling the aqua block. After that, we're gonna backfill with all the soils that we dug out. Then we're gonna lock everything in place. Then we're gonna start framing out all the spillway bowl. So the reservoir is completed. So as you can see, everything is locked in place. Then we have a family of 4 right here. So we have a big ones, 2 decent size, and then we have the mini one. So we will see how we're gonna turn out. But I got some ideas already, like I said before. So the big ones, the spillway bowl will be right in the middle, and then we're gonna have that right there, right in the middle of the wall. Do another one from there, and the super small one on that side, so like a zip line. Then we're gonna use all these rocks to frame all the edge. Then whatever the leftovers, we can just frame it on top right next to the other bowl. So alrighty, so far we got the first bowl in, then we did all the plumbing. So we're gonna do the automatic refill valve right there. Then there is the overflow valve. So we install ball head fittings over here. Let me move it. So the ball head fitting is right there. So we're gonna put a little piece pipe right there. So the water, anything it's overflow, it's gonna go to the French drain. So that was already existing right here. So we just put disassembled it, and we put pipe just all the way through in there. Now as you can see, everything coming around So Fidel, he did a pretty good job on the edge of the rocks. So he placed all these rocks by himself. So later on we just had to nail it down. And right here we're just gonna put another piece of dirt, cut it to the length so the bowl is level, and we sit on the aqua block. So now we just had to junk hammer that part right there. So the plumbing, we're gonna bury the plumbing right there inside the irrigation box. We're gonna cover it up so it will be easier for access for later on. So that pipe right there is going to the big bowl. We're gonna put a 90 degrees all the way up right there. Alrighty, so we got all the 3 bowls installed. Now we have a small one. It's gonna be on the other side, on the left. So we have to build out the berm, and we're gonna put some big boulders out there, see whatever we have. So after that, the plumbing, everything's done. Later on, we do have to paint the pipe black. Then we're gonna put some big boulders that will stand out, so to lay over, so we'll hide the pipe right there. So everything turns out nice. We installed 2 lights so far, and then we're gonna install more all the way on top. So as you can see that we use bricks to level it up. So we want to make sure everything is level. Finished this project yesterday, so I'm just coming back to check everything, make sure everything is good for the homeowners.